Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Hi, here in this given problem, this is the uniform rod in the zoo, the two ropes suspending it. The first one that is making an angle of 150 degree with the rod, or we can say if this is 150 degrees, so using linear pair, here this angle that is 30 degree with the horizontal to the left. Tension T1 is in this rope. Weight of the rod will be acting at its center W, and this W, weight of the rod, that is given as 190 Newton. The monkey, it is at a distance of 0.5 meter from the right end. This rope, second rope, that is making an angle theta which is missing from the horizontal. Tension in this rope, suppose this is T2, and for this monkey M, its weight Wm, weight of the monkey, this is 90 Newton. Okay, now first of all we have to draw free body diagram of the rod, and that is as shown here in the adjoining figure. So we will show the components of these tensions in the ropes. This is the horizontal component to the left, T1 cos 30 degree, and vertical component T1 sin 30 degree. Horizontal component again T2 cos theta, and vertical component here, this is T2 sin theta. So this is the free body diagram of this rod. Okay, now we have to find the values of tensions T1 and T2 and angle theta, which is missing here, this theta. So first of all, as the system is in equilibrium, so we can say there should be no net force along horizontal, means along x-axis. So summation of fx, that should be 0. It means the force acting towards left, T1 cos 30 degree, that should be equal to that acting towards right, means T2 cos theta. T2 and theta both are missing here. Similarly, summation of all the forces along y-axis, that should also be 0. It means the forces upward, T1 sin 30 degree plus T2 sin theta, that should be equal to W, weight of the rod, plus Wm, weight of the monkey, means this is 190 plus 90, means this is 280 Newton. Okay, and we can mark it as equation number 1. Okay, now taking equilibrium of rotation, of this rod about its left end. So we can say the clockwise torque created by weight of the rod, W multiplied by 1.5, because if we draw in this diagram total length of the rod, that is 3.0 meters. So distance up to the center of mass, that will be 1.5 meter in both the sides, and this distance, that is already given as 0.5 meter. Okay, so W into 1.5 meter plus weight of the monkey Wm multiplied by 2.5 meter, distance of monkey from the left end, and that is equal to counterclockwise torque created by T2 sin theta multiplied by the length of the rod 3 meter. So we can say this T2 sin theta, that will be equal to W into 1.5 means this is 190 into 1.5 plus 90 into 2.5 and divided by 3. So it comes out to be equal to 170 T2 sin theta. And from equation 1, T1 sin 30 degree, that will be equal to 280, means this was the equation 1. So T1 sin 30, that will be equal to 280 minus T2 sin theta, and T2 sin theta we have found it to be equal to 170. So it comes out to be equal to 110 Newton. Okay, so it is clear that T1 is equal to 110 multiplied by 2, because this sin 30 will be 1 upon 2. So this is 110 into 2. So T1 comes out to be equal to 220 Newton. One of the answer for this given problem here. Okay, now we have to find T2 and this angle theta. So again using T2 sin theta, that is equal to 170 Newton, and T2 cos theta, that is equal to T1 cos 30 degrees. So if we divide these two equations, T2 will be cancelled, leaving behind tan theta is equal to 170 divided by T1. T1 we have found it to be equal to 220 into cos 30 degree. So it comes out to be equal to 0.892. Hence finally theta will be given by tan inverse of 0.892, or finally this theta is 41.7 degree. Another answer for this given problem, and finally the only remaining answer, that is T2. So T2 will be given by 170 by sin theta, means 41.7 degree, and it comes out to be equal to 255.3 Newton, which is third and the last answer for this given problem here. Thank you.